Okay. First up is a public hearing because it is an ordinance. We do have a couple people who've signed up to comment on this transportation demand management project, and they are Doug Johnson and Alex Zimmerman. Mr. Johnson. Yeah, right here. But I'm going to try to ask him first, though. Okay. Mr. Johnson, you will have 2 minutes, as usual, to make your comments on this ordinance.
Yeah, you mentioned the King County executive. He's not even here.
No, what are you talking about? I didn't mention the King County executive.
Executive was mentioned in this ordinance, wasn't it?
No.
The King County Can I see the ordinance, please?
Yeah. We cannot see him for 2 years, so nothing unusual. I think this exactly what's happened now. Yeah, absolutely.
This is Mrs. Zimmerman.
The ordinance says that we are authorizing the King County executive to enter into interlocal agreement. Now, I'd like to talk about this. The King County executive is not even here. We can't even address him on this issue. And that leads me to these open public forums that I'm trying to get you guys to pass a resolution so the public in King County can actually come down and talk to you about these issues. When the King County executive is not here to be addressed on this particular ordinance, how can we get answers resolved? You know, this is exactly what we're talking about. You know, I mean, we're just trying to get an open public forum once a month where the King County executive is there, the King County council is there, and we can actually redress our grievances. Have these King County council meetings in the evenings, not at 1:30 in the afternoon. The public can't make it down here to talk about these issues at 1:30 in the afternoon. They're working. We're all working. We're all cash-strapped. The price of gas keeps going up, and we cannot even come down and talk to these people. And he's trying to run me out of order, and this is an open public forum. These are my elected officers. I vote for them to be in office. They are my servants, and they're saying that they're not going to listen to me for 2 minutes. 2 minutes a week, they're saying that they're not even going to listen to me. This is ridiculous. This is absolutely insane. You work for me. You work for me, Larry Gossip. I don't work for you. You need to listen to me because I am the voting public.
My name is Alex Zimmerman. I represent Adopt America. I like you guys. I told you before we have a circus here. This is exactly what has happened. We spoke with executive for 2 years. We never have one question to him, never have one answer from him. He make $200,000 per year with his staff, and your staff is at most $20 million. We cannot speak with him more than 2 years. It's a nightmare. We never see him here. We see him only in TV. Yeah, he speak only in TV, like I see before a prince, and I talk about this with you many times. Guys, come on. You give us 2 minutes. Your people can talk in for hours. This woman said right now, talk for how many? 30 minutes? Are we talking only for 2 minutes? We ask you 5 minutes. Why are you start acting like a civilized business people? Don Constantine, executive. I cannot see him, you know what I mean? Where is he right now? We're talking about business. You make a decision. He's supposed to be present. Maybe somebody from public, not exactly nice people, can ask him, "Wow, Don Constantine, please give me your opinion about this." I don't know his opinion. I don't know if it's positive or negative. It's a secret.
You're 2 minutes up, sir.
No, why are you talking about 2 minutes when your people can...
Legislative branch of government. It's not
Your mic is off too, Larry.
If you want to see the executive, go to his office. Thank you. Or to his representative.
Open forum, Larry. Open forum. That's all we're asking for is open forum, not one at a time type deal.
Okay. We're now on items 9 and 10. They both are on our consent calendar. They're